everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Kanji and I'm gonna go somewhere to have a little hike because I want to feel more active. It's my off day today and I haven't eaten anything and I'm thinking of having a bun. So I haven't eaten anything since morning and I'm thinking of buying a bun just to have that little energy for the walk. And it's on promotion. It's one for $1. So guys, I already bought the bun. It's $1 and it's ham and egg. Nanakoy pam tawid gutom. Guys, if you want to have that little walk or a little bit of a hike, I'm not really saying that it's challenging, but it's good to be outdoors. You can always go to SungeiBuloh. I'm not really sure if I'm saying it right, but anyway, you can just comment down below if what's the correct pronunciation for it. And you just need to ride the bus 925 from Kanji station. I think my bus is here. So we still need to check in as usual. Alright, then we can go in. Oh, may pa-art pa sila. Oh. It's nice. It's wood and they painted it. So before you go to the trail, there is a vending machine here if you want to buy some water or some drinks and some snacks. And there's also a toilet. Perfect. So this is the toilet. Environmental friendly. Favorite sa akong mama, flowers. So there is a Singapore if mag-hike ka or let's say mag-walk. Nasa yung mga guide to make sure di ka masaag. So if masaag ka, you know what to do. Isa ni ibali mo si Nina. Wow, it's really a good weather. Ta, 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 ta. Na, na, na. Water is so relaxing. So I took off my mask, and here in Singapore you can actually do it when you're gonna do brisk walking or running. Of course, it's not gonna be easy if you're gonna wear a mask while doing it right. But anyway, this is the view. I super love it here, and I make sure that I come here like at least once or twice a year. But I think last year I never did because of COVID, trying to just stay indoors, although there's not much people in here. It's really pretty. So I want to go up there, but I think there are people inside. So I'll just pass and let us find some beautiful spots. So off na ako karon and wala lang, feel na ako bloated ko permi, so baktas-baktas at para pa taktak sa mga bilbil. I'm alone. My friends are all working. Wala pa ko'y kaon, guys. So they have these warnings and halaka. So ingat-ingat because they're everywhere. Currently it's already 5 plus in the afternoon. Yep. How nice, diba? Relax kayo, eh. So, kayo mag-run, mag-date, tanawa, oh. Charlie bitaw. Nag-run man as lagi. Very nice. This is my favorite spot, guys. Right? How Instagrammable it is. Way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Nabay copyright ang one. Staring blanky ahead, just making my way through the crowd. I'm using the wide angle lens because my face is too fat. Look at that. It's really nice. I'm so happy that I am here. And for sure, I'll miss Singapore if ever I'll leave. Grabing tanaw-tanaw ni ate sa ako. Bala ka diha mag-vlog ko. So I think this is the very common. It's very common here in Singapore when you're having like even a small camera, people would tend to look at you and feeling nila na buang ka. But hey, I'm just telling a story. It's nice. So if you're tired from a walk, you can always sit here and rest. Don't forget to always bring your water. Ayan, oh, we are here now. Do you want to go inside? Okay, let's go. There. Look, guys. It's nice. It's good for photos. I love it. And then you can peek through here. Oh, diba? Naugmasad siya. By the way, this is how it looks. I have a friend who's very scared of heights. I think you know her from some of my vlogs. It's Carmela! When she was here with me, she was like shaking when she's going down the stairs. It's so funny. But I think it's a good start. If you want to encounter your fear of heights, you can try here. It's not so high. It's very pretty. Kalamig sa hangin, eh. Diba? Nice kayo. I'm still looking for my favorite spot. I forgot where it is. Just need to find out. I know that this is always my path every time I come here. Let's see. So guys, it's so sad, it's already closed, but anyway, it's still a good afternoon, and I am just gonna put the pictures over here from my favorite spot. Okay, so let's just find our way out, and maybe I'll just get some coffee after. How's that? Hello guys, welcome back. It's already 8 o'clock and some of the coffee shops are already closed, and only Coffee Bean and Starbucks are open, but it's okay. I just wanted my coffee fix. I haven't had coffee since morning, and I ordered the iced caramel latte. This is the one. And some prawn spaghetti. So guys, that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you!